of Engineering, Mangalore. Today isn't just about marking another year, it's about celebrating everything that makes PA College of Engineering special. It's about the people, the progress, and the passion that have brought us this far. As we proudly celebrate 25 years, we look back with gratitude and look ahead with hope, honoring everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey.
A very good afternoon to all our distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, faculty members, and students. Today, as the college steps into a new era, celebrating its silver jubilee, we look back on a journey marked by academic excellence, research innovation, social commitment, and holistic development. Let us together immerse ourselves in this moment of reflection, recognition, and rejoicing.
To commence this auspicious occasion, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. I now invite Mr. Fadil, second-year student from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to render the invocation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإنه كان للأوابين غفورا صدق الله العظيم.
Rather, address them respectfully and be humble with them out of mercy and pray, my Lord, be merciful to them as they raised me when I was young. Your Lord knows the best what is within yourselves. If you are righteous, He is certainly all-forgiving to those who constantly turn to Him.
Thank you, Fadil, for that soulful invocation. Now, let us take a visual journey through the achievements and memorable moments of PA College of Engineering over this academic year. Let the screen come alive.
It was indeed a visual treat, the whole the compilation of the academic achievements and accolades to our PA College of Engineering. Request our principal, Dr. Ramiz MK, to kindly escort the dignitaries to the dais. I request everyone to kindly welcome them with a big round of applause as we call upon Mr. Vivek Alva, our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Abdul Rahman, guest of honor, Mr. Sharfuddin, AGMPA Education Trust, Dr. Ramiz MK, Principal, PA College of Engineering, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal, Dr. Saeed Amin, Dean of Student Affairs, Principal of Sister Institutes, Dr. Sarfraz Hashim, PA First Grade College, Dr. Salimullah Khan, PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Afifa Salim, PA Institute of Physiotherapy, Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager. I request the audience to kindly applaud as they enter the dais.
Every welcome carries the promise of new memories and shared joy. With this quote, I would like to invite Dr. Sharmila Kumari, Vice Principal of PACE and HOD of Computer Science and Engineering, to welcome the gathering.
Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success, as quoted by Henry Ford. Good afternoon, everyone gathered here, respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed colleagues, distinguished invitees, dear students, members of media, ladies and gentlemen. We all have gathered here to celebrate annual day program PACE Day 2025. It's a time for the college community to come together and celebrate the students and faculty members' hard work and dedication. It's also an opportunity to recognize and reward them for their achievements in academics, sports, and other extracurricular activities. In this auspicious occasion, I am pleased and honored to welcome you all to PACE Day 2025. Today, we have with us an able administrator, champion of sustainability, and visionary leader dedicated to nurturing future leaders, Mr. Vivek Alva, Managing Trustee, Alva's Education Foundation, as chief guest of the program. He was very kind enough to accept our invitation to attend this program and address the gathering. On behalf of PA College of Engineering and all present here, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to you, sir. Now, I request our beloved principal, Dr. Ramiz MK, to florally welcome Mr. Vivek Alva. Thank you, sir. We have with us a great administrator and academician who has the courage to take tough decisions and has the compassion to listen the need of others. With thankful heart, I welcome Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, an honorable former Vice Chancellor, Kannur and Calicut Universities, former Chairman, Calicut University Commission. Currently, he is serving as an advisor of Enapoya deemed to be university and PE Education Trust institutions. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. We have with us our beloved principal, Dr. Ramiz MK. His leadership serves as a constant reminder of the value of collaboration, integrity, and dedication. I extend a warm welcome you too, sir. I am especially honored to welcome AGM PA Education Trust, Mr. Sharfuddin, for his constant support to all of us and his esteemed presence with us in this program. I cordially welcome you, sir. I am especially proud to welcome the supporting pillars of PA Education Trust, principals of our sister institutions, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hashim, Principal, PA First Grade College. Professor K.P. Sufi, Principal, PA Polytechnic. We have with us Vice Principal, Dr. Ismail Khan, Vice Principal, PA Polytechnic. Dr. Afifa Salim, Principal, PA Institute of Physiotherapy. Dr. Syed Amin, Dean, Student Affairs and Director, Master of Business Administration Studies and Research. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. A heartfelt welcome to a motivated team working for the successful execution of this program, heads of various departments, faculty coordinators, PACE Day 25, Professor Ismail Shafi, Co-Scholastic Coordinator, PACE Day 25 faculty coordinators, Professor Muhammad Salim from the Department of Electronics and Communication, Professor Safa Sana from the Department of Civil Engineering, dear faculty members, administrative staff, technical and supporting staff members, with great pleasure, I welcome you all to this program. My heartfelt welcome to Mr. Harris T.D., Purchase Manager to this program. I welcome you, sir. I welcome members of electronic media to this gathering. I welcome you all to this program. A warm and heartfelt welcome to my dear students. We are thrilled to have you with us today. Your presence made us very happy and proud. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you. Dear students, I wish you all the success for your future endeavors. May this gathering be the mark of many memorable moments and meaningful connections. Once again, I welcome you all to this program that is PACE Day 2025. Thank you.
Warm and gracious welcome to you too. It's now time to present the annual report, a comprehensive reflection on the college's academic and extracurricular journey during the past year. I now invite Dr. Ramiz M.K., our principal, to present the annual report 2024-25.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. Respected chief guest of today's function, Mr. Vivek Alva, who has honored our program by his presence with a very short notice. Abdurrahman sir, who is always with us, and whenever we extend an invitation in his old age, he gives the consent to come here. The principals of all the sister concerns, Sarfraz sir, Salimullah Khan sir, Afifa madam, Ismail sir, Vice Principal Sharmila madam, AGM Sharafuddin sir, Harris T.D. Purchase Manager, and all the other dignitaries, HODs, faculty members, and my dear students. It's my responsibility to read out the annual report. I'll try to make it very short because almost all the visuals have been shown to you. I'll try to summarize it. It gives me immense pleasure to present before you the 25th annual report, which briefly outlines the milestones we have achieved during the year 24-25. This celebration of PACE Day 25 is especially meaningful. It marks the silver jubilee year of the institution. We were established in the year 2000, so 2025, it marks the silver jubilee celebration. We are planning for some silver jubilee celebrations, which will be declared shortly. 4 years since the passing of our beloved founder chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji Saab, a visionary leader whose courage and zeal led to the establishment of this institution in 1999. His mission was clear: to create a center of technical education that would meet global standards while serving the local and international community. By the grace of Almighty, that vision has grown remarkably. Today, the PACE Group manages 19 reputed educational institutions across India and abroad with a strength of over 4,000 teaching and non-teaching staff, and more than 33,000 students representing 80 plus nationalities. The PA Educational Trust Mangalore, is a vital arm of the PACE group, is ably led by Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, serving as the managing trustee. Actually, managing trustee was supposed to be present here today. He has come from Dubai yesterday to India, and he was supposed to reach here today morning from Bangalore. But due to some unforeseen reasons, he is not able to report, and he has conveyed all the congratulations and blessings for this program, and I would also like to welcome him in his absentia. We now manages the PA Educational Trust, PA College of Engineering, Center for Management Studies and Research, PA First Grade College, PA Polytechnic, PA College of Pharmacy, and PA Institute of Physiotherapy. At PA College of Engineering, we offer 7 undergraduate programs and a postgraduate program in business administration, and we house 8 recognized research centers under VTU. Behind every thriving institution is a blend of visionary leadership, dynamic teaching, and learning process, dedicated faculty, and positive energy. I am truly humbled and proud to say that PACE embodies all of these in remarkable measures. Currently, our college has 1,200 students enrolled in UG and PG programs, and we are proud to have 14 research scholars actively pursuing their work. Our faculty strength stands at 80 plus qualified and energetic educators, of whom 21 hold doctoral degrees and 18 are currently pursuing their PhDs, moving us closer to a dream of achieving a 50% doctoral faculty ratio. Our student faculty ratio is healthy. Our state-of-art laboratories and well-equipped workshops backed by skilled technical staff ensure that our engineering curriculum meets international standards. Our achievements for the last 2024-25, the academic year 24-25 has seen tangible progress towards the dream of our founder chairman to make PACE a university. So it was the dream of our chairman to make PACE a university. So few milestones we have achieved. We have actively participated in the NRF ranking. We are yet to receive the results, and advanced in NB and NAC accreditation process. As all of you know, recently we have got the NAC A accreditation, and almost all the eligible departments we have got NB accredited. The biotechnology, BT and computer science engineering department successfully renewed their NB accreditation for another 3 years. The institution has been awarded the prestigious Institution Innovation Council 3-star rating, recognizing our strong commitment to fostering an innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem. Regarding digital transformation recognition, we are named among the top 100 higher education institutions under the Digi 100 initiative, acknowledging our strides in digital innovation and transformation. This year, we are also participating in the Times ranking framework. PA College of Engineering, Mangalore, recognized as most promising chapter by IEEE. We are one of the most active IEEE chapter in the Mangalore region with around 12 IEEE societies, and we were given the most promising chapter by IEEE SIDA under IEEE Bangalore section. IEEE also got the Outstanding Medium Student Branch Award. We were top 10 in Karnataka for conducting events and top 10 in Karnataka for highest number of chapters in the IEEE sector. We got 3rd place in IEEE subsection among all engineering colleges in Karnataka under IEEE Bangalore section. As far as the faculty achievements, Dr. Abdul Razak of Mechanical Engineering, he stands 4th position in publications among VTU affiliated faculty members in the year 2024 for publications. Dr. Prashant Pai M, Associate Professor and Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, has achieved IOP Trusted Reviewer status by IOP Publishing in recognition of an exceptionally high level of peer reviewer competency. Dr. Krishna Prasad has been appointed as state level jury member for Elevate 2025, an initiative by Government of Karnataka to support innovative startups. Dr. Krishna Prasad is serving in key academic leadership roles. Dr. Ronald Walder is currently serving as the chairperson of Board of Exams. Dr. Said Amin has been appointed as a member of Board of Examiners at VTU. Professor Vittal Bhatt has been appointed as member of Board of Examiners at VTU. Dr. Asif Hassan received silver play button from YouTube for having 1 lakh plus subscribers. Dr. Muhammad Zakir, who is the man behind the IEEE, has been recognized with the prestigious Outstanding Young Professional Award by IEEE MSS, a well-deserved recognition of his contributions to IEEE. Dr. Muhammad Zakir also received the Best Outstanding Contribution Award from IEEE SEDA under IEEE Bangalore section. As far as the student achievements, our college football team secured the championship title, NITK Cup State Level Intercollegiate Football Tournament 2024 under the flagship of PACE Football Club, which encompasses all the sister concern institutes, Surathkal, from 14 to 16 March 2025. Ahmad Ahras, a student of 7th semester computer science, secured the gold medal in the VTU state level powerlifting competition held at New Horizon College of Engineering. Abdul Qadir Suhair Afran received a grant of rupees 66,000 from IEEE Tri-Engineering funded by IEEE Computer Society. Mr. Anwar Sajid, a student of 4th semester mechanical engineering, secured 3rd place in both Kumite and Kate events at the 3rd level state level Dasara Karate Championship. Mr. Mohammad Jazil, a student of 4th semester computer science engineering, secured bronze medal in the district level Taekwondo competition. Mr. Mohammad Jazil secured gold medal and certificate in the state level Taekwondo competition. Sankalp Hackathon, the computer science team secured 2nd place. Mullar Silvercorn, Bad Technology and EC students won 2nd and 3rd place. Mr. K. Muhammad Hisham, Rihan Muhammad, Rizan Muhammad and Muhammad Samran won 1st place in the ADC 2024 competition organized by Advanced Computing and Communication Society at IIIT Bangalore. 3 students have received prestigious scholarship of rupees 50,000 each from IEEE Philanthropy in IEEE Women in Engineering with total amount of 1,50,000. Total 6 student projects have been selected for KSCT financial assistance, 5 from computer science and 1 from mechanical engineering. Regarding teaching and learning, PACE is committed towards a student-centric learning system, and a commendable result was obtained for the outgoing batch of 2024 with 180 FCDs and 16 FCs. The 24-25 batch will be appearing for exam by the end of this month. As far as the research is concerned, we have 8 research centers. Last year, 1 PhD was awarded. 24 faculty members are currently pursuing PhD, and many of them nearing completion. Additionally, 12 external faculty members from other institutions are pursuing PhD research at PACE. We had 41 research publications in index journals in 24-25, and 100 plus papers were published in conference proceedings. 6 books and book chapters were authored by faculty members, and all these journals and proceedings and book chapters are in publishers like Science Direct, Springer, Taylor and Francis, etc. As far as the research and funding grants, many of our research applications are in the pipeline and we have been shortlisted. And details of the fundings which we received: Dr. Asia Hazarina received a fund of 3.5 lakhs from Atal FDP funding from AACT. Dr. Zakir Bellary, 1 lakh for the Atal FDP for the AML department, and 16.5 lakhs SERP joint research project with NITK Surathkal is shortlisted and it is in the final stage of disbursal. 2.75 lakhs, 8.4 lakhs and another 9.5 lakhs IEEE sponsored projects by Dr. Abul Hayyan has reached final rounds for selection. VGST project, KFIST L1 of 20 lakhs by Dr. Ramesh Samke and Dr. Abdul Razak is now in the final rounds of selection. VGST project GRE scheme of 40 lakhs by Dr. Sharif Raju and of 50 lakhs another from Dr. Sharif Raju jointly with Dr. Krishna Prasad is now in the final rounds of selection. So last year, as far as research funding, research publications, patents, we have done a remarkable advance. As far as intellectual property is concerned, last year we have 2 patents granted and another 5 patents were published in 24-25. And one of the another important achievement, in the year 24-25, in 23-24, we started the prestigious conference ICEST. So ICEST 24 was conducted in 2024, and in 2025, we have conducted the ICEST 2025 with with 6 conferences under one umbrella, and we have 150 publications from this conference. Collaborations and MOUs. PACE has signed a total of 32 MOUs in the year 24-25, and last year we have renewed all the MOUs including Infosys, K-Tech incubation centers and others, strengthening the academia and industry linkages. Regarding the outreach activities, social connect responsibilities, environment cell, we have a very strong wing of environment cell headed by Professor Pujar, Red Cross and NSS, and the last year we have conducted several events, maybe more than 50 plus events, including outreach programs under the banner of NSS, Red Cross and Environment Cell, like plantations, blood donations camps, Environment Day celebrations, etc. EDC cell is also strong, and workshops and training programs were conducted by EDC in the last 1 year. All these photos and program pics were shown in the visual tour. As far as alumni is concerned, we have done a visual tour on the alumni. The alumni is very strong. The alumni keeps a big engagement with the students, and a lot of programs have been conducted under alumni. CPOD, Center for Professional Organization Development, and Center for Excellence in Research and Innovation is also active, conducting a lot of aptitude programs and training programs throughout the year. Association in clubs, every department has got its forums, and we have professional bodies. Some of the forums at the departments are MEA, Mechanical Engineering Association, IME, Ignited Mind of Electronics, AEEE, FOSS, Ignite, PACE, BATEC Forum, GLEG Gambit Club, MBA Forum. These are some of the forums at the department level. Apart from that, we have the IST, IEEE, IEI, CSI, ASMI, all these professional bodies which are very active and which has conducted more than 200 plus programs in the last 1 year. Department of Physical Education, headed by Dr. Iqbal, successfully organized the VTU Mangalore Division Inter-College Football and Kabaddi tournaments at our campus. The Department of Physical Education organized various sports and games for both students and staff during the academic year 24-25. Apart from this, Teachers' Day, Republic Day celebration, cricket, volleyball, throwball tournaments, etc. were also conducted. The major events like PAPL, Edigma, Ignite, PACE Fest, Food Fest, cricket tournament, graduation day, Teachers' Day, Women's Day, etc. also were conducted. So as I told, to make it brief, to make it short, summary, we have more than 100 plus workshops and seminars, 20 plus awareness and outreach programs, more than 100 plus awareness FDPs attended, 10 plus industrial visits, 500 plus certification programs, and 100 plus placements which has witnessed in the year 24-25. In the coming days, the PACE fraternity is committed to make PACE unique by having the following apart from the regular curriculum: experiential learning environment with industry collaborations, placement-oriented approach towards achieving 100% placement, a class research ecosystem, upskilling modules on emerging technologies, entrepreneurship-oriented programs, platforms to build and showcase the real talents, fun and entertainment-filled environment, and socially committed activities. The major backbone of the uniqueness of PACE is, of course, going to be the discipline and the ethos, which was held in high pride by our esteemed, beloved founder, chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji Sahab. We have few plans in the coming years. We are planning to apply for the autonomous status from the UGC. The work is in progress. We expect and we are working on to make PACE an autonomous body, maybe in another 1 or 2 years. And from the perspective plan, we have a very solid plan for the another 10 years. We plan to make PACE a very international, reputed, sorted university where we have academic excellence, innovations, technical programs, skill development programs, talented students, which is a blend of everything, as told, discipline, ethos, everything together. And we want our students to contribute to our local society, the state, the nation, and the whole globe. So with this, I wind up my annual report. Thank you everyone for giving a patient listening. Thank you everyone.
Education is not about filling minds, but about igniting purpose. It is with great honor and heartfelt appreciation that we introduce the chief guest for today's annual day celebration, Mr. Vivek Alva, an educationist, youth mentor, environmental advocate, and above all, a leader committed to empowering the next generation. Mr. Alva holds a Master of Business Administration in Marketing from the Justice K.S. Hegde Institute of Management and a Bachelor of Business Administration from SDM College, with a focus on business administration and management. His academic foundation has profoundly shaped his understanding of education as a transformative tool, not just for personal growth, but for community upliftment. As the managing trustee of Alva's Education Foundation, he has devoted himself to nurturing potential and creating meaningful pathways for the youth. His efforts in organizing 22 large-scale mass recruitment drives across Mudabidri, Mangaluru, Belthangadi, Chikkaballapur, and Raebareli have opened doors for over 33,000 young individuals to secure employment. Through Alva's Prakriti, one of the largest talent connect platforms in the region, Mr. Alva brings together over 300 companies annually, demonstrating his vision of bridging the gap between education and employability. His contributions go beyond the campus and into the environment, society, and national service. From environmental conservation efforts to community engagement activities and leadership programs, his initiatives reflect a holistic model of education rooted in values, action, and purpose. Mr. Vivek Alva inspires the next generation of leaders across India through his involvement in academic forums and youth development programs. It is truly an honor to have you with us today, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. My dear friends, it's such a pleasure coming to PACE, and I must thank the principal, Dr. Ramesh sir. He's such a sweet gentleman because I had an opportunity to meet him in multiple occasions during our iftars, and many a times he has got a lot of touch with our students, and I thank you for inviting me to the campus, sir. It's a pleasure to share a dais with a stalwart over here, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman ji, who is a great teacher and an inspiration to all the people. In fact, in our Teachers' Day also, he was one of the recipients of the Teachers' Day Award, and definitely till now also you're contributing, sir. It's a great pleasure to have a seat next to you, sir. I'm really thankful to all the principals over here. I also have my dear friend Dr. Salimullah Khan. This time he had guided me a lot for when we were opening the pharmacy college. I'm very happy to come over here primarily because it is really good that end of the day, as colleges, we don't look at each other as competitors. We all look at each other as facilitators. My dear friends, our competition should not be with each other. Our competition should be with self. How we were last year, we should be better than this year. And now I'll come to the point where I need all the students to concentrate. I'll just take 10 minutes. My dear friends, I have a lot of belief to a PA system of education. Why? Because my initial faculties who are a part of Alva's foundation, especially in the technology college, were the students of PA college. I must tell you, I was very much amazed because of the kind of, when nobody was talking entrepreneurship, PA was talking entrepreneurship. And I know this because some of the companies which were connected to me were from PA College itself. My dear friends, you have a legacy of 25 years. Please understand that. Today, why am I putting this across to you is because I've definitely come to a beautiful campus. I was seeing how beautiful this campus is, how wide this campus is. But it's not the campus which makes a difference. It is the life which is in the campus which makes a difference. Now I was asking our Shafruddin sir that why children are watching their mobile phones. Then he told, like, in the sense, at times programs are not given weightage. Sometimes in the morning when we do programs, some students wouldn't show. Girls clapped when I told life which makes a difference. I'm a firm believer that it is the staff and students which change the face of college. And I want you to understand your responsibility. Today, the responsibility of PA College is not with only the principal, is not with only the staff members. The primary responsibility is with the children of a college. My dear friends, don't mind me being particular, because today we all look up to colleges like PA, which is one of the oldest college in our region. I think so it was the initial college which was set up in Dakshin Kannada. Today there is a big responsibility in your hand. Today these buildings and all, how much ever you construct, they'll never tell whose property this is. When you leave this college, you still are the alumnus of PA College. Today, if at all you do any achievement, the achievement is directly reflected to the PA College students as well as the PA College. My dear friends, today there is a big challenge in the field of technology. 30 years back, there were maximum 5,000 seats in Karnataka in engineering. Now if you see only in technology, only in computer science, there are 275,000 seats in Karnataka. Please understand, today like lot of sheeps, people are moving into IT. To be very frank, I am tired of IT. All the teachers sitting over here, we have civil engineering, mechanical engineering. I told, even if at all number of student is one also, I'll never close this mechanical civil engineering. Reason is because this is the foundation of engineering. Today I feel computer science should be the part of every engineering. It should not be only restricted to computer science as a branch. People of mechanical, people of civil should learn IT. And today, there are a lot of students moving into IT. But at the end of the day, please understand, there is a big challenge in front of you. Please understand, this 4 years is not enough. Many a times when you take projects, sometimes you take projects from your seniors, sometimes internship, you give, how much you give? Now what is the running rate? 7,500? 10,000 rupees. Sometimes when you do internships, you give money and do internships. My dear friends, if this was the case, I'll give you one example. Okay. Now if you feel it's only classes you listen and you become an engineer, it's just like How many people know swimming over here? Raise your hand. How many people don't know swimming? How many people don't know swimming? Do you want to learn how to swim? Yes, you want to learn how to swim. Okay, so I'll tell you like this. The swimming, your hands you should flutter like this. Okay, legs you have to hit like this. And I'll give you 100 hours of classes, of swimming classes, by telling you how to swim. Now one challenge. After 100 hours of classes, I'll ask you to jump into the swimming pool. Can you swim? Now you will tell no. When it comes to education, it's same like this itself. Please understand, internships as well as projects are not to showcase to your college to get a certificate. It is so that you get a right experience. Today, my dear friends, for me, all students are my students. I never consider it is just alvas have to work for. Today, we have a responsibility in our hand. And end of the day, please understand today, engineering has not gone down. Many a times we tell, VTU sarilla, college sarilla, that way you put across. I strongly believe our orientation has to change. Today, many a times you feel, now when grading system comes, you have like last May, you have to give grading to the faculties. That time, you will give best grading to the faculty who's very papa faculty, nice faculty. Very tough faculty, you will tell C grade, D grade. My dear friends, today all of us can be papa, nice to you all. But end of the day, see, so many senior teachers are there. One of the highest senior teachers I am seeing in PA college. And I am telling you, or now they put it on you only. Now I am telling you, please understand, I am not here to make anybody feel bad. I want ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ ಪಾಪ. ನಂಗೆಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. So, right now, please understand, there is a challenge in front of you. Please don't give bad grade to the who are being tough to you. I want all the faculties also to be particular. Today I was telling one of the teachers in the morning, she sent one ordinary internship. I asked her, why you sent? No, the student like this, they were asking for it. I told it doesn't matter. Be particular about it. Because tomorrow, you are the brand PA. My dear friends, I'll give you 2 examples of students. And with this, I'll close it. One student example is, his name was Rahul. What was his name? Rahul. And I'll tell you, for this you have to close your eyes. Can you close your eyes? All of you, close your eyes. Okay, Rahul, you can close your eyes. I'll not do anything. Close your eyes. Rahul could see what you see when you are closing your eyes. He was visually impaired. Now you can open your eyes. He was visually impaired. I wanted you to close your eyes to understand what Rahul feels. He was visually impaired, and this boy, whenever any speaker came, they asked, do you have any questions? This boy used to raise his hand like this. Please raise your hand once. All of you, raise your hand properly. So this is the way Rahul used to raise your hand. Why am I putting this across is, many a times when anybody asks any questions, you tend to see backside. Who will ask questions? This boy had that kind of attitude. Even in college also, he wanted to build a smartwatch for the visually impaired. Final year came and IBM was selecting students. 16 students were selected. There were out of 16 students, Rahul also was one of the students who got selected in the drive. My dear friends, after 2 years of working in IBM, then he went to IIM Bangalore. And after he was completing his IIM Bangalore, He gave me a call and told, "Sir, today I got selected in Amazon for a package of 40 lakhs rupees." My dear friends, today we have eyes. We have all the capacities with us. Why am I giving you this example? Is because this boy also is just like you. During college, he was giving attention. He wanted to do more with his life. And that's the reason why he's reached that position. I'll give you one more example. Her name is Nandini. And this girl, she came from a Kannada medium school. Many a times I see students telling, "Sir, I've come from vernacular medium. I've come from Malayalam medium. Or I've come from Kannada medium. And this is why I can't participate." My dear friends, this girl was competing in India's strongest examinations in the future. It was the UPSC exam. And in the UPSC exam, she got the first rank in the country. Why am I putting this across to you? Is because it doesn't matter you come from vernacular medium, or if at all you are coming from rural places. Even your chairman also came from a rural place. Today, PA college, PAS has more than 33,000 students, and it is not a joke. Today you don't have to search for model from outside. Your own chairman was a model for most of us. Like this itself. My last example I'll give you. I know I've already crossed, I didn't start the timer only. Okay. The last example is about the boy called Likith Gowda. What's the boy's name? Likith Gowda. Properly, what's the boy's name? Likith Gowda. And this boy was there during Corona period. During Corona, what happened was, we had given this option to the students. In college, if you are there, we'll take classes and train you. And if at all you are in the house, we'll give you online. I still remember the count. 243 students, they were part of the training program. And this was the option which was given. Now before this, in first year, this Likith Gowda was always coming to my chamber. Before Corona came, Likith Gowda was coming to my chamber. Why anybody goes to principal chamber or management chamber? If you do something very great, or if you are notorious in college. So in first year itself, this boy used to come to my chamber every time. Every time, Likith Gowda, Likith Gowda, Likith Gowda, Likith Gowda. Corona came, this option was given. And out of the 273 students, I saw Likith Gowda's name. I thought, why this boy has come for the training program? I told some people, see if there is any girl somewhere. That's why he's joined the training program. Then they told, no, nothing like that, nothing like that. Then second year again, this Corona didn't stop. Second year also, Corona was going on and this option was given. That time, again I saw Likith Gowda's name. I was furious. Then finally what happened is, in final year, from past 4 to 5 years, SAP labs used to come. And every time this company is coming, zero selection, zero selection, zero selection. That year, one boy got selected. Who was it? Likith Gowda was selected. Why am I putting this across is, many a times people tell, I am a part of student community. Nimge principal, you should get principal support, or chairman support, or management support. Sometimes you do it because your parents should tell, good. I'm telling you, many a times in first year, many of you first year students, how many first year students, raise your hand? Very good. So many of you in first year, if at all you do a naughty thing, teacher tells, you are a useless person. You don't become a useless. Please understand that. When people tell you something, you don't become that. You become what you believe you are. My dear friends, today after so many years also, I take Likith Gowda's name. And it is happening because He didn't believe in any kind of other external forces. He believed himself. Finally, why I want to put this across is, believe yourselves. See through that you are a part of the larger system. Enjoy the particular programs. Don't go in that movement that ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟು, ಹೀಗೆ ಉಂಟು, ಹಾಗೆ ಉಂಟು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ. End of the day, today you understand your computer science or engineers. Today there is a responsibility. Just some days back, there was a war between two countries. India took the upper hand because we were technologically strong. Today, please understand, my country requires technology. Tomorrow, if China, there is any issue, we should understand China is technologically strong. And when these kind of forces are there around us, please understand that time technology people will be needed for my country. So my dear friends, I'm very thankful for all of you for making me a part of this. I'll always be a part of PA College. Please come to Alva's Pragati, which is there in August 1st and 2nd. And any times let us see through that. Rather than doing MOUs outside, let us have MOUs with each other. And I'm telling you, this should be the way we colleges should function. We should work hand in hand rather than look at each other as competitors. I thank you for calling me to this college. I wish you all the very best, my dear friends. Thank you and all.
For those motivating and encouraging thoughts, your anecdotes emphasizing not to focus on your limitation but believe in yourself and fly high. I'm sure our students are truly inspired with your words. It is now time to celebrate excellence in academics. We shall now felicitate the academic toppers of the year 23-24, Amin, Dean of Student Affairs, to kindly do the honors.
Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Vivek Alva sir, respected Dr. Abdul Rahman sir, AGM campus, Mr. Sarfuddin PK, Principal of PA Engineering College, Principals of Sister Concerns of PA Engineering College, Haris Tedi sir, and my dear staff members and dear students. I feel happy to present before you the academic toppers of various departments. First, from the Department of AIML, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, the academic topper of second years is Mr. Joylin De Silva. Requesting Ms. Joylin De Silva to come on stage and collect the academic topper award. Third year, Mr. Muhammad Shimal Iddin.
I request the academic toppers from the various departments to come and assemble near the MC desk.
I request Mr. Vivek Alva sir to do the honor. AIML. Joylin. So Ms. Joylin De Silva from second year AIML, the topper of second year, now she is in third. Mr. Muhammad Shimal Iddin, third year topper. From the Department of Biotechnology, the second year topper, Ms. Vidya J.
All the academic toppers, please come near to the stage, please.
On behalf, his sister will be receiving the award. Second year biotechnology topper, Ms. Vidya J. Third year biotechnology topper, Ms. Amrita LR. From the Department Department of Civil Engineering, second year topper is Mr. Mohammad Shafiq. Mr. Mohammad Shafiq, Department of Civil Engineering. Third year topper of Department of Civil Engineering, Mr. Sachin Kumar Singh. Third year topper, Mr. Sachin Kumar Singh. From the Department of Computer Science, the second topper is Ms. Swati Mahesh. Third year topper of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Ms. Sandhya Manjunath Naik. From the Department of Electronics and Communication, second year topper is Mr. Prajwal P. Mr. Prajwal P. And third year topper is Miss Nafia Rahmat TK. From the Department of Mechanical Engineering, the second year topper is Mr. Nitin MK. Mr. Nitin MK. And the third year topper from Department of Mechanical Engineering is Mr. Midun Casey. Mr. Midun Casey. The overall first year topper is Ms. Sama Umar. Ms. Sama Umar, the overall topper of first year branches from the Department of BT. Finally, from the Department of MBA, CMSR base, topper is first year topper, Ms. Rashina. Now I would like to call upon on stage a few students and staff to receive the token of appreciation for their outstanding achievements during this academic year. First, I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Hisham, Mr. Rihan Muhammad, Mr. Rizan Muhammad Ismail, Muhammad Samran from third year Computer Science Engineering for winning the first prize at ADC 2024 competition organized by Advanced Computing and Communication Society at IIT Bangalore for the project IoT-based Women's Safety Device Nirbhaya. Please come on stage. I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Ahmad Ahraz from final year Computer Science. Ahraz, the gold medalist in VTU Powerlifting 2024 by breaking VTU all-time record in record lift. Gold medalist in Kerala State Powerlifting 75 kg category. Kasaragod District Powerlifting gold medalist, 14th rank in All India Inter-College, Inter-University Championship held at Kashmir. Mr. Ahmad Ahraz from Computer Science Engineering Department, the gold medalist of VTU Powerlifting 2024. Next, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Abdul Qadir Suhair from third year Computer Science Engineering for receiving the grant of Rs 66,000 by IEEE, Tri-Engineering funded by IEEE Computer Society. Next, I'd like to invite Ms. Shakira from second year Computer Science, Mr. Nafisa Sama from second year IoT and Cybersecurity Department, Miss Aishat Nihala from second year Electronics and Communication Department for receiving 50,000 rupees grant from IEEE WIE Scholarship 2024-25 funded by Quest Global. Now I invite on stage Mohammad Jasil for securing gold medal in the state level Taekwondo competition held at Sringeri during Feb 10, 2025. Another gold medalist, Mohammad Jasil on stage. I'd like to call our proud staff members. First, I would like to call Dr. Asiya Hazrena from the Department of Electronic and Communication Department for receiving fund of 3 lakh to organize 6 days faculty development program sponsored by AICT Atal on the topic chip design using Cadence tools. Dr. Asiya Hazrena from Department of Electronic and Communication Department. Another staff achiever before you, Dr. Zakir Bellari, Department of AML, HOD, Department of AML. I invite Dr. Zakir sir on stage. Dr. Zakir sir, who received 1 lakh rupees to organize 6 days online faculty development program sponsored by AICT Atal on the topic of deep learning, intelligent video, analytics and computer vision, received outstanding young professional award by IEEE MSS, a well-deserved recognition for IEEE MSS activities, received best outgoing contribution award from IEEE SIDA under IEEE Bangalore section, published 2 patents on artificial intelligence based assist tool delivery, boot delivery system and method thereof, an auto sprinkler system. So congratulations to all the award winners and thank you dignitaries.
To express our sincere appreciation and gratitude, I now invite Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, who is the advisor of PAET, to felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Vivek Alwa, with a token of gratitude. I invite Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, who is the advisor of PAET, to felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Vivek Alwa, with a token of gratitude. Thank you, Vivek sir, for taking your time amidst your busy schedule and gracing this occasion. Thank you, Vivek sir, for taking your time amidst your busy schedule and gracing this occasion.
An announcement, the team of NAC performers are requested to assemble near the MC desk. The team of NAC performers are requested to assemble near the MC desk. Accomplishments at PA College of Engineering is being accredited by NAC with an A grade, an esteemed recognition for our collective efforts and dedicated pursuit of excellence. This milestone was made possible by the relentless commitment of our teaching and non-teaching faculties and our students, whose hard work upheld the highest standards. A special note of gratitude goes to our management for their unwavering support and visionary leadership. The cultural program was an integral part of NAC accreditation process, which was well versed and executed by our student performance, guided by the staff mentors that grabbed the attention and appreciation of the NAC team. On behalf of PA College of Engineering, we now felicitate the performers and the mentors. I request Mr. Vivek Alwa to felicitate the performers and the staff mentors. Srishtina, Vikshita, as the names are called out, please move forward to the stage, students. The team can receive as a whole. Srishtina, Vikshita, Nikita, Joswita, Dipushri, Pooja, Ananya, Apurva. Team 2 under the theme of folk dance. The team members are Sushmita, Sanchana, Sri Raksha, Charita, Nazima and Asfa. Team 3 under the Taf team, Mohammad Tanveer Ali, Mohammad Naufal, Mohammad Shazin, Fawaz, Zuhair, Tashrif, Afran, Aziz, Ahmad Azim, Mohammad Hasil. The team 4 under the theme Navratri dance. The team members are Khadija Farisha, Malufa, Khadija Drushfida, Khadija Jahana, Aminat Mirza, Fatima Jasira, Fatima Fida, Aisha Marwa, Nafisat Nashwa, Amna, Jamilat Mafna. The team 5 under the theme South Fusion Dance comprised of Anushka, Fatima Hafiza, Fatima Infana, Nada, Rihana, Khadijat Munawwara and Sunaina Taj. The team 6 under the theme Uppana, we have Rifa Mariam, Rahim, Rana Fatima, Hiba Sajid, Fatima Riza, Fatima Muzaifa, Dia Haneen, Aksa Sheikh, Alimat Sauda, Aisha Azza, under the staff mentor, Professor Shabiba. I request the team along with the mentor to move forward to the stage and take the mementos. Team 7 under the theme Traditional Dance. The team members are Shrushtina, Bhumika, Vidya, Prakriti, Nikita and Tanushra. Team 8 under the theme Yakshagana. The team members are Bhumika, Kavya, Pallavi, Sneha, Varsha, under the guidance of Kavya ma'am and Saumya ma'am. For the team under singing, the team members are Shivanand, Mohammad KP, Nafisat Riza, Aisha H, Rilwan, Jostin, Joseph Joy, under the guidance of Ankita ma'am, who was a staff mentor. The student coordinator for the NAC performance was Mr. Hatim from 4th SEM of Computer Science Department. Can we have him near the MC desk, please? The MC, the ones who did the comparing for the NAC performance were Rushda from 4th SEM CS and Aisha Afra from 6th SEM BT. Please come forward to the stage to receive your mementos. Thank you, Vivek sir. I now request Dr. M. Abdur Rahman to hand over the mementos to the achievers. Faculties to see that the students are not leaving the auditorium. Thank you, Abdur Rahman sir. I now request our AGM, Mr. Sharfuddin, to hand over the mementos to the performers. I request our AGM, Mr. Sharfuddin, to hand over the mementos to the achievers and performers. Thank you, Vivek sir. Thank you, Abdurrahman sir and Sarfuddin sir. This played was done by a team of second year students, Mohammad Sahel KL, Mohammad Rizwan, Glenn Shelton Rodrigues, Habib E.T., Mohammad Sinan. Kudos to the team. I request Mr. Vivek Alva to felicitate our students for their teamwork. is our front. As we draw this memorable celebration to a close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of this event. I now invite Dr. Shamna, Head of the Department of ICSB, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all over here. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you on this memorable occasion of PACE Day 25 to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of PA College of Engineering. First and foremost, I extend our deepest gratitude in his absence, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust, for his constant vision and support that continues to shape and strengthen our institution. We are truly honored by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Mr. Vivek Alwa, Managing Trustee of Alwa's Education Foundation. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and gracing us with your time and presence. Our sincere thanks to the guest of honor, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, former VC of Kannur and Calicut University, for his wisdom and encouraging presence. Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus, and Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager, for their unwavering support and guidance. The principals of our sister institution, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hasim, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Dr. Azfifa Salim, we thank you for your presence and association. A heartfelt thanks to our own leader and guide, Dr. Ramiz MK, Principal PACE, for presiding over today's event and for being the pillar of strength and direction for all of us. I also extend our sincere thanks to our Vice Principal, Dr. Sharmila Kumari, for her continued support and guidance. A special note of thanks to Dr. Syed Amin, Dean Student Affairs, for his consistent support and involvement in shaping the student community. A warm word of thanks to the site office, administration department, admission and accounts department, maintenance team, and the support staff. Each one of you has contributed in your own way behind the scenes to make this day happen. To all our event coordinators, Professor Ismail Shafi, Muhammad Salim, Professor Safa Sana, thank you for your effective coordination, planning, and dedication in making this day a success. Though many parents, alumni, and well-wishers could not join us in person today, we fondly remember them and extend our heartfelt wishes. And finally, a big thank you to all our teaching fraternities, non-teaching staff, and students, the soul of every celebration at PACE. Let us continue to carry forward the spirit of PACE with passion, pride, and progress. Thank you all once again. Thank you.